Hey guys, it's Jamie here, and today we're going to have a little walk through the first signature of 7 in Helena's journal. As you can see, it has a chunky old spine. I think that's 7 inches, so it's quite a monster, and I only have a few days to get it done, so I've been working a lot. Page 1, the inside I'm actually thinking of leaving like this. I was going to repair it, and then I think actually it's a junk journal, it's meant to look old, and I kind of like that worn look, but I might do something on this bit, a pocket or something. I don't think they're going to be essential, as you will see. Nothing too fancy here. It's literally your first page. You've got a little thing that goes down to reveal that it's a horror journal and a little sign that says beware. I painted these up black, and then I sort of swished some gold over them, dry brushed them. This was a stencil and some stamping over, just some lace and ribbon added. Aged down this printable, added some satin ribbon, so nothing dramatic going on there. The next set of pages, this page pretty plain. A writing space, but you'd probably struggle to write with all the stuff going on underneath. You probably need a writing board or something. Then we have the pathology slide, which actually I did use that wax paper trick that's in one of the videos about turning your paper into wax paper. So if you were to lift that up, that is actually slightly see-through, but it was originally just normal printer paper. And then just in here you've got a couple of little tags. This bit's got a longer piece of paper, like a couple of bits there, so just a little pocket there, nothing too exciting there. This side, oh, that's meant to be under the skull. The skull is the tuck spot. Just a piece of paper you can write on and some background, and the same here, just a digital download printed up and put in, and the same here. This is on one of the videos. This is the converted junk mail envelope that opens out this way, and you've got a little tiny list making spot. Over here, this is a bit more complex. Not in its construction, it's just a notebook, but it is a whole book. So here, just a plain cover, rounded off corners, and then sewn into that a load of coffee dyed paper. I'll do that up again in a minute, because me and doing bows up doesn't work that well. Old song music sheet, so I've just decorated it. And you've got a frame that again I've painted and distressed. Another frame that I've done the same to, the word death, and then a freaky picture and a bit of lace down the side. It's not something you can move. It looks like it's a tuck spot, it's not. On here you've got a journaling card, and then in here a deep pocket with some tags in it, and this tag has little ones inside it, and I think this one's just a plain tag, and then again journaling space on the back of both. And those again, there's a video on making those, because that background took quite some doing. It's several processes of, I suppose, mixed media. A journaling page, another one, a tuck spot, frame redone again, and a tuck spot with that background, mixed media background. So those tags, like I say, are on a video, and just some detail on the back to write on that one. Doily here, everything's been either tea or coffee stained. This is just writing space and a bit of decoration. Another one of those frames and a picture. A digital, this was put through a stencil that was like a zebra print, but it's not really come out that well. Here, I just folded the page over to create a pocket, and inside that I will be putting more as I get them, bits of spare paper, rounded corners, just to make them look a bit more fancy. Funnily enough, the stencil number came through, and I kept it on because it's quite nice having numbers. More digitals. This is just a bit of collage, nothing there, no tuck spots, no nothing. Bit of collage, just a billowed round to make it look grungy, to make it all pop from the background. You can journal around here, you can journal on here. same, just more journaling. That's just a stamp, and this has been distressed quite heavily. And you've got collage space and interesting. I love these. I love punched hole papers. That's why I turn them around. Here, another one of those music sheets. This is the paper clip that has a secret note in it. That's again a video. So there's a little secret note in that one that you can open up and read. And that's just a journaling card or whatever you want to do with it. You could put a photo on it and use it as a photo mat. A video on this. I know there's so many videos. This is a envelope converted, and when you open it up, inside it's got a tuck spot here and 2 pockets, and these tags are even on a video how to make these digitals look completely different even though you've used them before, and that was a recent video as well. So they're all those, not all of them, but that's a few of the tags from that. And that was using mica powder for the first time, sort of very glossy and shiny, which I like. I like shiny things. Nothing very exciting, just a pocket, some journaling that's from a kit held together with one of those little pin things. Don't even know what those are called. Very, very plain page with just a picture at the bottom. I think that's one of my own bits of washi tape. Another video, how to make your own washi tape. More coffee stained paper. Here you can see that the skull is coming through on this coffee staining here, and that was from, I think that was, yeah, that was putting the stencil and coffee staining over the stencil. And that's the end of signature 1, because that is the start of signature 2, which I haven't worked on yet. It's in there. It might have a few bits and pieces, but it hasn't had any extras added. Thank you for taking part in this quick walkthrough. Do check out some of the videos that have got some of the techniques that have been used already in signature 1. They're mostly under interesting ideas, the playlist, and I will see you next time.